I hear a lot of wind noise in the helmet. I can only assume that the microphone is going to pick up a ton of that. Holy shit, they got a big ass fire going over there. Must be a prescribed burn. Let's go that way, see what we can find. Check out that plume of smoke over there. See how close we can get. We'll cruise up by the lake, see how close we can get to this prescribed fire over there. I keep wanting to shift up into 7th gear, but it doesn't exist. Alright, we're going to do a little casual lakeside cruise. Maybe get a few scenic shots of the lake. It's pretty ominous looking because of the prescribed burn they got going up here. About 20 minutes ago, as I was riding up this way, it looked like a pretty cool plume of smoke, but now it's just sort of dissipated. Alright, that fire is pretty far away. I thought it would be a lot closer, but looks like we're not going to get that close. Oh well, we'll get a shot of the lake before we turn around and head back. Oh my god, the lake is super low. Holy moly. See that guy doing a wheelie? Huh, barely noticed. Holy shit. This must be staging for the prescribed burn. Wow, lake is really low. We have had rain in like 6 weeks. They say that California is about to enter another drought. Huh. Oh well, ebb and flow of life. Alright, let's get out of here. There's nothing here for me. Cruise on up the hill. See what we can find. A lot of people out boating today, huh? Yeah. It is February, leap year actually. February 29th. 60 degrees, partly cloudy. Can't complain too much. I mean, you can, but you'd be wrong. This guy is losing cans out of his truck. Look at that. Oh shit. Whoa. I was gonna run over it, but I thought, well, maybe it's full. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go this way. I don't want to follow that guy. I'm afraid like a brick's gonna fall out of his boat or something. See if we can get a wave. Nope. That was a Harley rider. Looks like we got a trike coming up. Let's see if we can get a wave out of the trike. Oh, we got a lazy wave, but hell, lazy wave is a wave, yo.